It's always something with me. Careful, you're gonna get hurt. Okay, go ahead and step up it. You're gonna get hurt on it. You're not very. Do you find them? No. You sure they're in there?
I was supposed to think they were in there. Hey, see, look.
Oh, he's trying to find his glasses.
Where's glasses? I don't know. That's why I'm trying to find. It's on the other side.
Checking the
The remote control is more thicker than the actual earbuds. It's more thicker. You can put your headphone jack in here. You put this to your PSP. Let's play some electronic music.
Let me check inside.
I've got a lot of them. Here, let's play this one. Let's turn this one down. Alright, let's try this one. Actual music here. You use this one as like a remote controller. Should work. It's the hold button, as you can tell. If you don't know what this is like a clipper, so you can clip to your pants. You just like clip in your belt and you just clip that in there. Or if you bump into someone and your music gets played to the next song, you can just use this hold button. Use it as a hold button just to prevent it from skipping to a new song. So it's a good feature. So if I unplay it, it should work. Oh yeah, it should work. Hold. Let me see if this thing works. Okay, let's see now. Now let's see this one. That is so weird. It's like the other side. It's like longer than the other one. It's like not like connected to it. That is so weird. I've never had these. And what the heck? Let me see if they're good sounds. Maybe if it doesn't work for the air. These are actually good sound quality. That's just actually pretty nice. Let me see for myself. I'm going to review these by the way how they sound, the bass. Like let me see this thing actually works. That is actually weird. It's like, ooh.
So this is
So that is actually so weird. It's like the left side has less sound, but the right side has more sound. I just got these today, so I hope that's normal, or maybe that's just the way how I put on the headphone jacks, but I'm just gonna guess it's that. It's okay, it is the headphones. Hold on, let me take this off. Let me take this off.
That was the jacket that was in the truck.
And now let's see. Okay, there's no issues. It's just the way how I put the headphone jack.
for what?
Glasses.
You know what? In today's generation, I'll probably say that these are actually not bad headphones. I'll probably say that I highly recommend buying these online. These are actually not bad headphones. I thought they were actually gonna be bad, but wow, they sound like today's headphones. You know what I'm saying? These are actually good. I don't know what's wrong with these though. It's probably because the sorry again. About these ones though. There's always an issue with these. Okay, so here's the way how I'm going to review this. So the packaging is pretty nice. I would just say like it's like pretty nice packaging, and the inside of the headphones. I do not know why these aren't working. The remote controller. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the country or region this is. I got this from Japan, and these probably came here. So I don't know why these aren't working. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. Maybe it's because they hold this one, or the I don't know the issue. I don't know about the issues about these. Like pretty disappointed to be honest. But the headphones, they actually they work on here. The good quality. It's actually like not bad for today's generation. Like for today's headphones, like they're actually pretty sound. Like I thought they were gonna sound bad, but yeah, that's the final review I can get you. But maybe if I find the issue about these, if I find, I'm gonna review these products again. But yeah, we'll see.
That's what I wrote.
But that's it for the video. So thanks.